Hello everybody, we are at Fairmont Cemetery in Willow Springs today. Willow Springs, Illinois. It's a place I've actually visited quite a bit. There's a few Freemasons here that I come to visit. One spectacular thing that they have here is this clock tower. And you hear it, it's kind of eerie. It goes off sometimes. And we are going to go on the inside. I've been on the inside before. It's actually a wrap around here. You're coming through. This is what you see. Let's shut the door. Get some good lighting. So those of you who do not know me, I worked in a cemetery for quite some time. I buried, I don't know how many people I buried. I did a lot of cremains burials, which is obviously you cremate someone and you put their ashes in the ground. That's what, it's cheaper that way. Families could afford it a lot more, and you could tell these smaller ones would be cremains burials. And these here, we've all seen these, I'm sorry. But basically you remove these units here, and these are very heavy. You take these slabs off. There's also another barrier, usually behind, I don't know, some people say it's for the smell, some people just say it's a cushion, but after that there's a long space where the body is rolled in. Usually they put rollers, like kind of just sticks on the ground, and you push the coffin through. My coolest experience with doing one of these is there was a guy who died in like 1995, and his wife had just passed away, so we had to open up the wall to put her next to him, and his casket looked completely untouched. The original pallbearer's gloves were laying on top. There was roses on top. It was just a very serene, beautiful moment. Obviously the bell tower goes way, way higher than this. This is just where the burials are. But sorry, it's ice cold in here. If I'm shaky. It's a place to sit and reflect, and if you have somebody up here, it would be cool to talk to them. This would be a pretty little place to just say hi. Pretty chandelier. But yeah, that's about it. I've been to a lot of cemeteries. Like I said, I worked at one, so I became kind of fascinated with them. And this is just something cool that this place offers. It's a little creepy. Unexpectedly, my glasses fogged up in there, and it's very, very cold. And this is called Savage Tower, built in '97. If you can't read, it's a very, very cool little place. Very quiet. Also, you can't see it from here, but there's a tiny mausoleum down there. I'll get to that at on a later video, but there's a lot of talk about people trying to burn it down for whatever reason. They took the name of the person down and everything. Don't really know quite why, but I'll do my homework and we'll come back if this is something you guys are interested in. Then the door was already open a little bit. They come by every night and shut it. All right, but there you go, Fairmont Cemetery, and we'll hit a couple more cemeteries and more of the famous ones, but it's a pretty little place. Hope you guys are having a good day. Love y'all. Bye.